Hey 30-minute marketers, in today's video we're going to be doing a Thrive Themes tutorial. We're going to be looking inside of Thrive Architect and talking about shared typography. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. To do that, click on the subscribe button or ring that bell for notification of future videos, as well as check the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step strategy to start your own online business today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. Today's focus is on Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect. And we're going to be talking about shared typography. So to do that, we're going to add a new page. And of course, to add a new page, you just simply type the page name here, save that draft, and then quickly click on Launch Thrive Architect, which will launch the page builder, which you can see here has no theme. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and change the template, and we'll simply go with a blank template here to display a blank canvas so we can play with the shared typography settings. So as you can see here, this is my first H1 heading. So let's just go ahead and add another text element right here, and we'll go ahead and say this is an H2 heading for this display, because what we're talking about here is shared typography, and typography of course is the printed characters here and the characteristics of it. So if you were to highlight my first H1 heading and you were to drop this down, what you'll see here are the heading settings that you can set right here. And of course, if you were to go and edit this, you can see some new options here called Applied Heading, Update Heading to Match One, and Reset Style. So here we select the heading, select our text, it's going to be Heading 1. If we were to edit this text, say we want to change the color to a red, apply that. Say we want to change our font, so we'll go to Google Fonts. We'll select a new font and we'll go with this one, Alata. We'll apply that, and we were to go here, drop down our heading, go to Heading 1 and click Update Heading to Match. You can see that now changes the heading. It also changes the heading setting. So now if we were to apply a new heading to the text, if we were to come here, add a new text, and make this my second H1 heading, you can see that we could type that out. Now when we apply the heading, it will save that color and that new font. So now when we apply the heading, we don't have to change the font. And of course, you can go here and you could set this to a custom. So if we were to go ahead and change this font again, say we wanted a different font here, maybe something like Alice, go ahead and apply that. Go ahead and we'll say this is Custom Alice Red. We'll save that. Now we have a Custom Alice Red H1 under Custom. So then you have two settings. You have the default setting here, which you can update that to match that heading. So now we've changed that as the default under the landing page settings. And we also have a new one called Custom Alice, which is also a H1 tag. And of course you could do this again for H2. Say we were to go with a green, and you click on that and say you were to go ahead and go with a website font, and you were to select a font here that's a Courier font, and you wanted to update that, you would simply update heading to match. And now you have a new heading right there, as you can see. Of course, you can always reset the style and then reapply it. So as you can see, that is a quick look at shared typography. It's a way to update the heading settings and set custom heading settings inside of Thrive Architect. This could be a handy feature if you're building lots of pages and you want to make sure that your headings are all the same. It'll save you some time. And that's what we're all about here at 30minutemarketing.net. doing more in less time. So if this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the link in the description and then the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start your own online business today. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here. Subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos here on the end screen for more tutorials on Thrive themes. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.